Ballard. I am the owner of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and I love to harmonize and balance the energy in your homes. I don't know about you, but when I come home after a day, the end of the day, I want to just really relax into my home. My home for me is my sanctuary. It is the place I feel safe, relaxed, and I just want to be myself. I want to get away from the day. I want to de-stress. That's what I want for everybody. So when you come home, you don't want this candle to be reflecting of what you feel like, that there's not enough sage for this in the world. You want it to really feel like this is where I want to come home to. I'm going to show you a few ways so you can cleanse the energy in your home, just like it's spring cleaning. You take down the curtains that have been up all year. You might wash off those baseboards. Not my favorite thing, but I do it. Just to give the place, a freshness. And we're going to do that with the energy. So in Feng Shui, we call the energy in your home Qi, life force energy. That is the energy that's in your home and circulating. And we want to cleanse this energy, just a little hygienic cleanse. So there's a few ways I want to talk about that we can do that. First thing we want to do is set the stage. We want to open up the windows. So let's pick a day that's probably over 40 degrees, depending where you live. You want to open up the doors or sliders. You want to get some fresh air moving. Then I like to wake up the energy. Energy can get stuck. It can be attached to things. It can be in clutter. It can be in corners. It can be just sticking to things. Sticky energy. So you want to wake it up. So you've got the fresh air, and then I like to put on some good tunes. Wake up the music. Put up the music. Dance around. Snap your fingers. Get everything moving. And then we go to work. So once you've got some energy going, the wind's whipping up the curtains, you're dancing around, you're clapping, you're waking up some things, it's time to cleanse the energy. So we can do this a few ways. You can use sage, which is really beautiful, some white sage. You can use some Palo Santo, which smells amazing. This is particularly my favorite just because I love the smell so much. These are burning methods. So either one of these you're going to burn. Sometimes I use both. You burn the end, get it to smolder, and then you blow it out. Same with the Palo Santo. Burn it, get a little flame going, blow it out. It's going to create some beautiful smoke. You're going to need a container. These are going to drop embers, ashes. You don't want that. So I have this beautiful shell that I love to use, but you can use a paper plate, a cup, a saucer, a paper towel, anything that you want to put under it. Then you're going to make your way around the room or the house, or do a room a day. One room feels sticky, just do that room. I like to go counterclockwise, and you go slow, and you want to get the smoke out. You can do this by using a feather, your hand, anything. And you want to get into the crevices. So you want to get down a little on your hands and knees and up and blow that smoke in onto the space, around the room, and then back. I like to go counterclockwise. There's no really right or wrong way to do this. I'm not going to screw it up. So blow the smoke into the areas all along, going slowly around the room, and then maybe through the room, just breathing in and out that smoke and getting it out there and setting the intention like, I really want peace in my space. Please bring me peace in my space. That is an easy thing to do, and it will, afterwards, you're going to close down the windows and shut the doors, and you will have cleansed your space. Now, if you don't want to burn anything, I've got a few other options here. You can use a sage smudge spray, and I also have this good juju juice from Holistic Homes too. This I got on Amazon. These I used a lot when I was working in real estate before open houses or showings. I obviously didn't want to burn anything in anyone's homes without permission and for safety measures, so these would be products that I would use. Same thing. Open up the windows, rock out to some tunes, and then spray. And move that spray along. And you'll feel lighter, your space will feel lighter, and maybe you'll get that moment where you can just go, ah. I'll have some more tips soon. Look forward to connecting.